ito guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mina Road. Yan, ito yung room. Kasi, guys, andoon yung, yung mga katsura, kadamitan ko. Ito yung room. So, ayan. Ito siya. Yan guys. And side view. Yan, ito yung labas. Ito siya guys is taking from ayun. Ito yung Mina Road guys. Ayan. Makikita mo yung like doon World Trade Center. Ganito, nandito sa likod yung dry docks. Ayan yung main road. So, nandito tayo guys. Ito yung room guys. So, yun, may dalawang mug. Kettle. Yan yung may coffee. If you want to take ito po, 45 inches na TV. Ayan yung mga gamot-gamot. Ayan, may menu din dito ng hotel. If you want to go for the breakfast or dinner. Yeah. Pero nakaano kami guys. Yan. Mirror. Ayan ang laptop. Busy sila. Busy sila sa trabaho. So, ito ako guys. Nagbablog na lang. Yan. Staycation ko. Staycation na naman. Ayan yung labas. Ito yung toilet. Ayan. So, ready. Mamaya guys. Hi. Hello guys. Welcome back on my channel. Guys, excited tayo ngayon. Just one. Yes guys, it's back. I'm back. Excited tayo ngayon guys dahil magbubukas tayo ng pasalubong. Parang kakaiba to guys yung pasalubong na to. It's on plastic. Yung iba ata tumatanggap ng roses, gift, chocolate. Pero guys, ito kakaiba. Kunin ko na. Pasalubong daw galing ng Europe. And charan! It's on plastic. See, guys, it's too much. Number 1 is omega-3 fish oil. Guys, imagine ito yung pasalubong. Omega-3 fish oil. It's before September 9, 2027. So, it's 50. Okay. 50 pieces, guys. Ito yung pasalubong sa atin. Wow! Yan. Okay, lagay ko dyan. And next is vitamin C. Guys, it's vitamin C. Ayan, nakita nyo? Kakaiba, pink ang kulay. Okay, health matters. Sabi, health is matters. Kaya guys, dahil tumatanda na tayo, so ayan na yung pinapasalubong sa atin. Hindi na chocolate and roses. So, next one is, ano to? Ang dami. Multivitamins. Guys, multivitamins, 6 tablets inside. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. It's February 2027 ang kanyang expiry. St. Boris. Ayan, guys. Wow, ang dami-dami. And paracetamol. Guys, paracetamol. Imagine mo, ang dami natin pasalubong. Oh my gosh. Ayan siya guys. Dito natin lalagay. Okay. So, ayan yung ating mga pasalubong. Ayan. And next is, hindi ko alam. Tunis Chocolonely. Okay. So, ayan yung ating mga pasalubong. Ayan. And next is, hindi ko alam. Tunis Chocolonely. Ay, guys! Tunis Chocolonely. Okay, in fairness, may chocolate din pala, guys. Hindi din pala nawala yung chocolate. Akala ko lahat na lang gamot. Oh my gosh. Okay. And another Tunis Chocolonely. Guys, bakit lonely to? Bakit lonely? Chocolate nga siya, pero lonely. Okay. And another one. Oh! Multicolors, guys. Ewan ko anong lasa. Ay, hindi pa natin natikman. Yan, ito guys yung pasalubong sa atin. Thank you so much sa nagdala. And another multivitamins. See? Ito naman is orange flavor. Yung isa kanina. I will check what is the flavor. Raspberry and orange, guys. Ito yung vitamin C and multivitamins. Ayan siya, guys. Yung pasalubong sa atin. Ayun lang. Siyempre, hindi din mawawala yung red wine. Ayan, guys. May red wine. Ito yung mga pasalubong. Healthy, conscious yung nagbigay. Naku, takot na takot magkasakit tayo. Kaya, kailangan may vitamins, may paracetamol. Ayan. Pero yung request ko, guys, hindi nabili. Yung Monomet. Ayan, ito sa guys. Pasalubong sa atin. Pero iinimin namin mamaya yung red wine. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. So, I'm here now. Staycation. Dahil kinuha ko tong mga pasalubong. Okay. Mayroong fish oil, multivitamins, paracetamol, ayan, chocolate, and wine. Okay, guys.